So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can get items replaced on Amazon. Now before we proceed, anytime before you place an order, it's always important that you see the items return replacement policy. So some items may have refund policies and some may have simply replacement policy. And if it's a replacement policy, you have to typically replace it within a window period of 10 days. So that would pretty much be made clear on the return policy for the item. Now it so quite happens that I have bought a certain item and it's not pretty effective, and so I've decided to get it replaced because I bought three of this and one was not working pretty well. So this is the item that I'm talking about, humble camera clip. So I actually open this up and just observe the steps what you need to do. So you can see that the replace item option is possible and it's possible only through 13th August. Now this item had a replacement policy. It did not have a refund policy, so I can get it replaced. So I click on this and if you see there are three things which were given to me and I simply want to kind of get this replaced. Now typical questions that may come to your mind is, do you still have the original Amazon packet and the bills and other things? So these are important, it's not really required, but they prefer that you have the original Amazon box. But even if you don't have, you may have any other cardboard box. Okay, so I can write that the performance is not adequate and I just want to kind of get replaced one. And okay, so I don't want to have any comments. I click on continue. So we will ship you a replacement you ordered at no extra cost. Yeah, okay. And I click on continue. So this is how easy it is. Then they say the next thing, that your package will be picked up. So many people keep asking me, do they really come and pick it up? Yes, Amazon guy comes to your address and picks it up. Unless your item is not Amazon delivered, at some point it may so happen that the seller wants you to ship it to them. In that case, this page will be filled with a courier label and instructions guiding you what to affix to the package and where to send. But typically, like most of the items nowadays, the Amazon guy will come and get it picked up. So they actually specify the date, time, and you can obviously get it changed also. You can like mention or schedule another date. And if you're okay with this, great. And if you're not okay, maybe you want to have it on a Sunday, maybe the same time, and it's all great. So you can confirm your return and there you go. So that's it. I mean, this is so easy it is. This is how easy it is, sorry. And that's it. So your return, your pickup is scheduled. Hand over your items to the Amazon pickup and you are done. Return the item in the original condition. We have emailed these details to you at such and such. So basically what happens is someone comes to your door and they will ask you to give the item and in the bag. So you can simply put it in the bag and then hand it over. And in a few days you will have a replacement coming to your place. So this is how you get the item delivered or replaced free of cost. And just so that you understand the first part of the tutorial, which I kept saying that you need to check the return replacement policy for this particular item. If I see there is a 10 days replacement only. So here it says that the item is eligible for free replacement within 10 days. So if you do this procedure what I showed you after 15 days, it won't work. It has to be done within 10 days, and in this you won't get a refund because this item is covered only with a replacement policy, not a refund policy. I hope that this makes sense. Even still, if you have any doubts, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Click on the bell icon to get notifications of work, subscribe, share, and do all those wonderful things. I will catch you in the next one.